Vollrath induction technology has many ways of coming to life. Introducing the next generation of induction ranges, our 4-series high-power and medium-power induction ranges. Efficient, precise, reliable. It's like cooking with gas, but better. And a full dedication to our philosophy of engineered with exactitude. With industry-leading performance, it's giving chefs exactly what they need. Patented power control, precise temperature and power levels that even exceed the performance of gas in many ways. There's also an easy-to-use touchscreen and a sleek new design. Our patented circuitry delivers steady heat with no power cycling. Perfect for cooking at low temperatures like melting chocolate. And due to an expanded magnetic field, we give you smarter, faster pan detection technology that allows chefs to lift a pan to flip, sauté, or add ingredients without breaking stride. Our ranges offer 2 control modes. The power level control provides the same responsiveness as gas flame in watt increments from 1% to 100%. Good for fast, powerful heating like searing or boiling. In addition, we know time is money, so we give you the fastest time to boil compared to gas, electric, and competitive induction ranges. With the temperature level control, you can select precise single-degree increments in Fahrenheit and Celsius. Try that with gas. Do you prefer a quick spin of the dial or a swipe of the slider to boil or simmer? Either way, our controls are fast, responsive, and precise. Ranges with the temperature control probe provide additional accuracy. The probe allows the unit to heat food such as stocks and sauces to a selected temperature. It will also monitor food and adjust the power output to maintain the selected temperature. Users can simmer sauces, stocks, and soups at ideal temperatures without boilovers, unlike gas. And the probe can also detect a major drop in temperature and boost the unit for fast recovery when adding ingredients. The program feature allows chefs to configure 4 user programs for repeatable results. So you can bring something to a boil for a minute and then simmer for 3 hours. Like this stock, for example. An audible alarm sounds and it shuts off, and can be timed for continuous operation, increasing efficiency while reducing error and waste. You're looking at the highest efficiency induction ranges on the market. We offer medium power and high power ranges. Our medium power ideal for eggs, sautéing, searing, warming and holding applications. With the high power unit, you can achieve everything you can at medium power, plus simmer stocks, soups, and deep frying. Available in 3 wattages, our high power units also have the benefit of maximizing the percentage of power available more than ever before on any induction range. That's the 4-series induction ranges. That's engineered with exactitude at work. Learn more at vollrath.com.